How to get a refund on Shein. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can get a refund on Shein, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to get a refund on Shein, it is actually very simple, but there are a couple of things you have to understand. How long has it been since you ordered the product and in what condition the product is in, because if it has only been like a day or two, you can still cancel it, but if it's already been over past the refund policy, then you will not be able to cancel it. So to find this, all you have to do is go ahead and open the Shein application that you can find here, and once you launch the Shein app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you need to tap the me icon from the bottom right of the screen. Now you simply want to go to the option called my orders and then go to view all option over here. Once you go to view all, you should be able to see a list of all the orders, and right under the order that you want to go ahead and then refund, at the bottom right you will find the more option which you can use to actually refund it. So if an order is actually eligible for a cancellation, you should be able to actually find this option over here called refund, and then after that you will be able to actually get a refund on Shein. This way you will be able to get a refund on Shein. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.